Hi guys, today is the 7th of February and we are doing another US30 daily analysis. Now, I feel like price is kind of, I'm gonna just, never mind, let's just leave it. So I feel like price is just teetering at the moment. It's like in a consolidation zone, like that's what I feel. So it hasn't really broken out of structure, to be fair. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is, so I would have drawn the trend lines if you guys have noticed. Now you can see I drew a 15-minute trend line because price was like literally just teetering between zones. Now it has been that way for quite some time if you notice, and price went up yesterday again. It did come down from where we did yesterday's analysis, so I did take a short sell basically on the 5 minutes yesterday. So because we were looking for sells yesterday, where I was expecting it to reach a zone below right here at the 32,800, if I remember, 33,800. But no, it was it 33 or 32. Let me just have a quick look again, so I don't give you guys the wrong number. It was 32,800, guys. Okay. So that was where really I was expecting price to go at the end of the zone where the 200 moving average is. But it did not, and it's just teetering. It probably would. The question is, would it go up before it comes down? But I feel like there's just too many rejections of this area of the zone. So I truly believe it is going to drop. But because it's kind of consolidating, I'm probably going to wait for market structure rather than trying to catch like moves, because it kind of goes down and it can just spike up back again. Do you guys get me? It's like my consolidation indicator is turned on. That's why you can see this blue box here, which indicates that it's a consolidation, and it has been doing that this whole period here. If you look at this, it's just been consolidating between the zones, right? Between this blue zone here and this top red zone. So this is what price has been doing for a long time now, if you can see, though it did break out of a zone right here, but it went back right into the zone again. And so yeah, I'm basically just going to wait for some market structure, but I am still bearish on US30 for a short term, because I do feel like it is going to come down to properly fill the order block at the bottom. So that's where I am at the moment, guys. I'm probably going to go down and drop down, but I'm going to wait for the 1 hour um rejection again, like what it did here. So I'm just good. Do you know what? To be really honest with you guys, I just feel like it's consolidating. So it's like in between. If you see all these moving averages, I don't know if it's too messy for you guys. I'm gonna off my consolidation zones so that it's a bit easier, right? So I know it looks a bit messy right now just because it's got lines all over the place. I'm gonna delete this as well. Delete this. Okay, so if you just see, even if you drop down to 30 minutes, it's so messy. Look at that. So literally, I don't think it's a trading place. Look at all this. Look at the messiness here. Honestly, like I don't think it's a place. It's time for me to be trading anything until things start lining up. You guys already know that I like to look for, proper fan outs. So yeah, no, that at this point for me, price is just undecided, and so therefore I am waiting for a trend or a breakout to happen, and then a trend to take place. Now, I am looking for sales, so I am actually really going to be keeping an eye on that. But again, if price action shows otherwise, then we'll take it from there. But yeah, yeah. Do you see this? Like it is actually forming a straight line here at the bottom. Look, um, like from here, it went down, right? Here, let me just, I'm actually comparing it to the divergence, so you guys can just, oopsie, you guys can just follow where my line is. So this was up and this should be going down, but it went up instead. So it's showing a bullish momentum on the divergence on a 1 minute. So there's no way I am actually going to be taking sales on this. Okay, so I'm just going to wait, literally just going to wait for price action to kind of indicate what it's planning on doing. Like even any of this, like look at this bit here, there's literally no um proper rejection of the 200. It's so messy. So yeah, not entering any trades. Don't see anything forming right now. I am bearish bias, but again, it all just depends on what price action shows and which way it decides to break out, and then I'll just take it from there. So again, guys, always trade with the trend, and if price is consolidating, just leave it. 2 3 days of not trading is perfectly okay, because you will get better entries and good entries and really, really fast entries, probably even in a couple of days' time, or maybe even next week, and that's okay, because it is so important not to be stuck in a trade that you don't want to be in. That's what I truly feel. So just be patient and trade safely, guys. And again, before I round off, I also wanted to say, like, doing this daily analysis has actually helped me a lot in my trading, just because it's me talking my thoughts out, and that's exactly what I am actually recording. Not for any other purpose. This is not like, I don't sell courses, I don't like teach people forex. This is just me, like, putting my head out there and just kind of thinking, what am I going to do with US30 for the day, which is what I want to kind of share with all of you, just because I feel like this is something that you guys need to be practicing and doing it for yourselves in your own way, however you want to do your analysis. But you do need to do a daily breakdown, even though you've already marked up the pair yesterday. We all kind of, markups and draw trend lines and draw all kind of stuff like on a daily basis when we are trading. But I do feel like it's necessary to have a fresh start again every day, just to see what the pair has done the day before, even though you could have traded it and you know what it did. But it's always good to kind of refresh your mind so that you know exactly what you are looking for the day or for the week, if that makes sense. And when you know exactly what you're looking for, then what you do is you drop down to the lower time frames and you look for exactly that perfect setup, or the setup that you are most comfortable with, and then you go for it. Rather than just trading and winging it and then at fly, just looking at the time, 5 minute, 5 minute time frame, without doing an analysis and just assuming it's still going to go where you thought it's going to go based on your analysis yesterday, because price could have dramatically, oh my god, dramatically, like, given you a different price action the day before, and it maybe didn't go your way. And so it's always good to kind of revisit, and for me, in my own trading journey, it has truly helped me, because it kind of sets me up for the day of trading and what I'm looking for, rather than just staring at it blankly and being so fixed upon my previous day's analysis or anything like that. And most often than not, guys, come on, we kind of forget what we did the day before, and at least for me, so it's always nice to kind of just do a quick one. It's 5 minutes, 7 minutes, max 10 minutes. In fact, if you're just doing your own analysis, it's just 5 minutes. It's now, at this time, it's 7 minutes since I've recorded this video, 8 minutes now. But it's because I'm talking other things. Do you guys get me? But if you're just doing your own analysis and focus, 5 minutes tops, you literally can get an entire rundown of the pair or the index that you're looking at, and then you know what you're doing, right? So anyway, happy trading, guys, and see you guys tomorrow with another video.